Aveva daman an ce ɗan haƙin da kare na shi ke tsone maka ido, ɗan haƙin da kare na. It's a Hausa proverb meaning that thing that you see finish, that you think is nothing, usually will be the one that will prick your eye. Dan haƙin da kare na shi ke tsone maka ido. I'm talking about none other than Senator, House of Rep member, magician, disappearance of the whatever, the one that will disappear somebody and nothing will happen to him. Well, he's on his way to the courts. And let's see whether the court issue, he will just disappear the court and nothing would happen. You know that bold case? I'm talking not about none other than the bold case where a member of the House of Representatives that's supposed to be honorable behaved in such a dishonorable manner and attacked, slapped 3 times and insulted and threatened, verbally and physically attacked a boat driver who had come to his house to deliver goods that were given to him, snails by the way, to be given to him, and all he did was to call this House of Rep member and ask him to come and collect his product and pay him his money. And that was the crime against this particular House of Rep member called Ikweche. Hey, mascot. Hey. Beware of what you name your children. They turn out to be what you actually name them. He's the mascot now. A magician, the way our people will say it. But anyway, one of the things that really went on, if you watch that video that the boat driver himself had recorded, he was calm. He made sure he gathered all the evidence that he needed to go to court. And right now, they are on their way to the court. And Sahara Reporters says this breaking House of Reps member Ikweche to be arraigned in Abuja court as boat driver files charges. Sahara Reporters had reported how a viral video on social media captured Alex Ikweche assaulting the boat driver. Stephen Abuwaseya, an Abuja-based boat driver, has filed charges against Alex Mascot Ikweche, a member of Nigeria's House of Representatives from Abia State, over an alleged assault incident. Abuwaseya's lawyer, Deji Adeyonju, confirmed the court appearance, stating, "We are on our way to Kuje Magistrate Court for the arraignment of the honorable," I will call him dishonorable member, "who assaulted our client, Mr. Stephen, a boat driver." Adeyonju also extended an invitation to the media to cover the arraignment scheduled for 12 p.m. today at the Kuje Magistrate Court. For me, when this whole case happened, I was like, yes, I know there are going to be human rights lawyers out there. They're going to pick it up. And I'm so glad that Deji has taken this on. One of the things that stop people from actually being able to file for cases or sue and God is the expense of court legal fees. They are quite expensive. It's not a small, but I'm sure Adeoju probably is most likely doing this pro bono for this boat driver, and he deserves it. He deserves justice. What was done to him was inhumane. It was dehumanizing. It was depraving to go and not only physically, but not only verbally, but also physically assault someone who was doing nothing other than being a good citizen, being a law-abiding citizen, going about an honest job that he was out there doing, and because of that, he was, attacked by this particular person. The House of Representatives has said they are not going to suspend him. The speaker, Benjamin Kalu, the deputy speaker rather, Benjamin Kalu, was saying all sorts of things, talking from both sides of his mouth, not just standing on the issue. But let's see, this particular man is going to court, and let's see what the justice system is going to do on it. Sahara Reporters earlier reported that the Nigeria Police Force said it had commenced an impartial investigation into the matter of the power-drunk House of Representative member Alex Ikweche for allegedly assaulting and brutalizing a boat driver in Abuja, and even saying that, and even daring this particular person to call the IG of police and say that the IG of police cannot do anything. This guy was so arrogant, a first-time lawmaker, you know, that had come to Abuja. You think it's in Abuja that you come and be doing, do you know who I am, that you were doing in your local champion, whatever it is, in your state or whatever. You can't do that to nobody. This is someone whom a lot of people have reported that has never even sponsored a bill. But we know what? He's busy sponsoring slaps all over the place. Sahara reporters had reported how a viral video on social media captured Alex Ikweche assaulting the boat driver. Ikweche, who represents Abia North and South Federal Constituency of Abia State, repeatedly slapped the driver and hurled insults at him for asking him to come to his car to collect what he, the driver, was there to deliver. That's a crime. Oh. That's somebody's offense. Come to my car and collect this thing. Ikweche had also threatened to make the driver disappear from Nigeria, saying nothing would happen if he did, even if the driver called the Inspector General of Police. Well, the driver has not called the Inspector General of Police, but we've all carried his matter on our head, because all of us, we are him and he is us. Injustice to one is injustice to all, and then that's the way it must be. The lawmaker had also refused to pay the driver and boasted that he's a member of the House of Representatives. He broke the driver's phone and tore his clothes for disrespecting him. He had threatened to beat the driver and lock him in his generator house to make him suffer. However, the police, in a statement issued on Wednesday by the First Public Relations Officer, ACP Olumuyiwa Adejobi, reaffirmed the commitment and readiness to ensure justice is served accordingly. The statement reads in part, in reaction to a case of assault and threat to life making the rounds in the media space by Honorable, this dishonorable, people should stop calling him honorable, Alexander Mascot Ikweche, representing Abia North and South Federal Constituency in Abia State, against a boat driver, Mr. Stephen Abuwaseye, who was to deliver a package to him at his residence in Zamfara Crescent, Maitama, Abuja, on the 27th October 2024. The Nigerian police force has commenced an impartial investigation into the matter and wishes to reaffirm its commitment and readiness to ensure justice is served accordingly. I would love to, you know, have, and let me know, will you want to see, I'm just thinking, should we bring Deji Adeoji on to have a conversation with him and maybe have a live conversation where he will tell us what more about this whole case. But I hope, I haven't seen this thing, that petition that had been filed, but I hope the damages they are seeking for are in billions of naira and not just hundreds of millions. This kind of behavior, it must be stopped. Even when we think that, oh, nothing can be done, the long arm of justice still finds a way of coming at you. The fact that he will have to be going to that court, or you will not have a lawyer that will be going to that court until this matter is settled, is something on its own. Not to talk about the public fallout that has happened because of this. We may think that these things don't affect them, but I tell you, it definitely does. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.